In this video, I'll show you how to watch Skillshare classes offline. Step 1 is to open the Skillshare app. I'll leave a link to the Skillshare site in the description down below. You must use the Skillshare app, mobile or tablet, to download classes. Open the app on your phone or tablet and sign into your account. Ensure you have a stable internet connection for the download process. Step 2, choose a class to download. Browse the classes you want to download and select a class of interest. Look for the download button, usually in the course settings or lesson options. Now, not all classes are downloadable, so check if the download icon is visible. Step 3, start the download. Tap on the download button and wait for the class to be saved to your device. You can watch a class offline without an internet connection once downloaded. Make sure you have enough storage space on your device for the download. And that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please subscribe. And if you have any more questions, you can leave them in the comments down below.